Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying legal prerequisites and the learner profile. This protects both of you and sets expectations. Once confirmed, assemble core tools, tweezers, adhesives with 0, 5/1 tack time, varied lash trays, and set a clean workstation. Make sure to provide a student packet that includes learning objectives, a step checklist, consent forms, and a 1/2 practice mannequin. These first steps let you start teaching immediately because a prepared environment speeds skill acquisition and reduces mistakes under pressure. Once the basics are ready, structure the middle of the manual around progressive modules: concise theory, live demonstration, guided practice, then timed independent sets. Teach the how, proper isolation, placement angle, and lash selection such as 0, 15, 0, 20 mm diameters, and explain the why so trainees understand retention and lash health. Make sure to include adhesive handling and timing drills. Incorporate checklists, video playback for critique, peer review, and clear competency rubrics, so you can objectively measure. To finish, run a comprehensive assessment. A timed full set on a client simulation, sanitation audit, and a short written quiz so you confirm both skill and knowledge. Once done, issue certificates if criteria are met, or activate a remediation plan with targeted drills and CE resources. Make sure to include a supply checklist for graduates. If problems occur, adhesive failure or misdirected lashes, start with humidity, adhesive age, and isolation checks. Then retrain the specific technique immediately to prevent repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.